Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to cover what is stock market and how it works. As we go to market for everything, in the same way for shares we have to go to stock market. In olden times, shares of a company were bought and sold physically, and it was too tough in that times. If we bought shares of a company, those shares physical papers on our names will be in our hands almost after 15 days in olden days. In India, we have several stock exchanges, but most popular are NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. And these are the stock exchanges in which buying and selling of shares is more. In NSE, there are almost 2000 plus companies listed, and in BSE, there are almost 6000 plus companies listed till now. There are many more stock exchanges like Kolkata Stock Exchange, Hyderabad Stock Exchange, etc. Some of these are closed due to violation of SEBI rules or inside trading, etc. Let's know why a company will be listed on a stock exchange. There is no compulsory rule on every company to be on a stock exchange. I will explain you this thing clearly by the following example. A person started a company with his own money and the business is running well. After few years, for his good work and company goodwill, he got more contracts to do. This is a good thing for a company, but the company should have necessary infrastructure, workmen to satisfy the customers or to complete the contract signed, right? Then he need capital for company growth, right? For money, he have to lend money from the known people with certain rate of interest or money from the banks as loan, or he should list it on the stock market. I will explain you everything clearly here. Lending money from the people or private institutions, this lays heavy rate of interest on the company or an individual and doesn't give any profit, but it will rise the losses of a company. Loan from banks. Any company can get loan from banks by submitting the required documents or showing the assets or making assets mortgaged to the bank with a lower rate of interest when compared to the outsides. And most of the businesses will have bank loans. The next best thing is to list on the stock market. For suppose, if you want to raise a capital of 40 lakhs by diluting 20% of company shares, you should file the application in the selected stock exchange and submit all the required details along with performances, statistics, growth, business model, and etc. Then the stock exchange will take necessary steps and allow you to come as IPO, initial public offering. It means listing in the stock exchange. Listing in the stock exchange is providing shares for the people in order to raise capital. Here he wishes to raise 40 lakhs, then he will make 4 lakh shares with each share value 10 rupees. By this, he will get the capital for his company growth with less charges and with no interest rates. But certain rules and regulations will be laid on company along with stock exchange in order to control the stock market frauds. In simple words, if stock market is a village, SEBI is a police station. The SEBI full form is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, established in 1992. Company listed on stock market from now should inform every important information to the public along with its annual quarter results and along with its change in assets and liabilities. Here, assets are the things which it owns and liabilities are the things which it owes. Owns means it should have, owes means it should be repaid. Assets examples are lands, buildings, everything which it had. Liabilities are bank loans or other loans which to be paid. Every new one to stock market will take help of a financial broker who have better knowledge on company which performs well and gives better returns, and for this financial brokers are paid. But if any individual have knowledge can directly sell or buy shares of a company on NSE or BSE through brokerage platforms. I will try to explain you this with a simple example. A needs shares of a company XYZ. B wants to sell the shares of a company XYZ. Here both requirements are fulfilled in stock exchange. By this, B sells his shares but don't know who is the buyer. As well as A buys the shares but from whom he bought he doesn't know. How people can earn money in stock market? Anyone can earn money in stock market, but only when he have knowledge on stock market or with the help of financial brokers by taking advices and paying charges. You can invest the minimum amount to maximum amount as much as you can invest on stock market. As in the earlier example, company with 4 lakh shares came as an IPO and those company shares are in the people hands with 10 rupees per share. Now, when this company performs well and get good returns, do they distribute all those to the people who have shares? No, but few companies will pay returns as dividends or bonus to the shareholders, and this is a different thing. I will explain you this thing in another video. For suppose if you bought 1000 shares of this company with 10 per share each, it amounts up to 10,000 rupees. And now after the company's performance and profits, people are ready to believe that the company will perform well in the future. But now the 4 lakh shareholders of the company are now not ready to sell the shares at 10 rupees per each. They can sell the shares at their required amount like 20, 25, 30, 45, 50. But the people who are going to buy it are ready to buy it at 12 rupees per share. And if you are okay with selling the shares at 12 rupees per each, you can book a profit of 2000 rupees as you bought shares at 10,000 rupees and selling them at 12,000 rupees. And now 12 per share is the market price, and this is how buying and selling of shares give you profit in stock market or share market. Thank you for watching the video, and if any doubt you can comment below and support the channel for more such videos.